What's up, everybody? Zach here. If you haven't noticed, I got a new background in a dark academia style. It took me a long time to set up, but I'm really pumped with how it looks.
This is easily the biggest furniture build I've ever done.
If you're new to this series, I'm in the process of writing a dark fantasy album, and I'm sharing it with all of you as I make it. I want to give you a huge thank you to everybody who left me kind comments on episode 1. I was super nervous to release that, if you couldn't tell, and it really meant a lot to get such support, so I'm really excited to share more with you. This episode, we're working on the love theme. This is probably going to be one of the early tracks in the album. I've already been working on it, but in this episode, I'm going to share with you some documentation of me actually composing the second half of the love theme, where we're expanding on the theme, adding some new orchestration and arrangements. So as always, if you enjoy it, you can leave a like, subscribe for more in the series. And if you want to stay tuned in further things about what's up with me and the album, I have a free newsletter you can join. I've linked that in the description. So I considered kind of going a little How to Train Your Dragon with this and developing this out. Thought it'd be kind of cool maybe if an oboe took it. Oboe's a little high for that. I think flute's gonna work. Holy crap. That was quite a line. Okay. I think that all sounded really good. I'm going to replace this stuff with live instruments, I think. At least the flute and the strings. We'll see what else comes up in the album. Okay, now for the do-do-do. I want a little bit of shimmer on this. Might be a little too much. There we go. And then maybe we can do dulcimer for that. I kind of wanted mandolin at some point in this album. I guess I could probably try throwing that in. I just always like the sound of mandolin. Do do do. Okay, see how that came out. Okay. Yeah, so we'll have the strings pick up what the vocals were doing the first time round. What are they doing? Ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Easy. That make more sense for a dulcimer to do that? Dude, it's like all this subtle stuff is what really makes the tracks shine. Attention to detail. Okay, let's grab this other one. Here. Something's got to come in there. Maybe something to double the flute. Oh, unless we use the harp. Kind of makes sense. Oh, should we do a little? I really freaking like this piece. This piece makes me feel like I have a little permission through the album to do some orchestral stuff. That's pretty good. Yeah, I do feel like it needs some kind of a, like, expansion. Ooh. Really cool. So I'm trying to figure out the voicings for this. Pretty sure that's gonna be viola. So why don't we just make it viola with mutes? Okay, there's some weird notes in the VST, but whatever. Whew. Yeah, now where's the bass? This is sounding really good. But I do think we could use more mandolin. Yeah, just for like background filler. I think I'm gonna call it for today. That feels like a good stretch of stuff. Yeah, but this is probably one of my favorite tracks on the album so far. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more episodes like this, and don't forget to check out my free weekly newsletter if you're looking to see what's up with me and gain some useful tips and inspiration for your own creativity. Talk soon.